Hello learners, welcome to our YouTube channel Study Kernel. In this video, we are going to display current date and time using time.h header file in C language. So let's start. Time.h header file is used to read current system date and time. Time bracket null function is used to read current date and time. We know that algorithm is a stepwise set of instruction to perform a task. Before writing actual program, we shall write an algorithm for our task. So, step 1 is start. In step 2, we will include library file time.h. In step 3, we shall use function time bracket null to get current date and time values. In step 4, we shall display values of date and time. Step 5 is the last step, which is stop. Now we shall see flowchart for our task, that is displaying system date and time. We know that flowchart is a graphical representation of an algorithm. First, we are initializing time.h header file in input-output box, that is parallelogram. Later, time function is used to compute current system and date time as shown in the rectangular box, which is process block. Later, computed values of date and times are displayed using input-output box. Flowchart ends with stop. Here we shall see actual code to display current system, date and time. First of all, initialization of library files such as stdio.h, conio.h and most important header file for this code, that is time.h, is done. In main function, time bracket null function fetches system date and time, which is further displayed using printf function. Now we will see how actual program is executed using Turbo C software. Same code that we have discussed earlier is shown here. We shall execute code by clicking on Run button. Thus, current system date and time is displayed in output window. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning and keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.